Hey guys, Vase from Tunex Audio. Today we got this Cadillac in. Got another kind of a wiring rescue. 8 gauge wire power feed turning into a 10 gauge. This was just a chilling day like that. Okay, so here's the amplifier with only 2 screws to the box. CCA cable, and I'm pretty sure this is CCA speaker wire. And also I noticed how close that sub is sitting to that. So we're gonna do 4 speaker upgrade in this vehicle. Go with the Hertz Cento components. I asked this client if he likes his tweeters bright. He said no, so we're gonna go soft dome tweeters. We're gonna go ground zero 6x9s. He wants that rear fill. And to power all of that, I'm gonna do a Tunex 700.4 amplifier. So we just finished wiring up the Cadillac. We managed to move that monoblock next to the subwoofer. Made an amp board. Added a 4-channel amp. Also fixed the subwoofer problem. Now it's actually properly screwed in and there's enough clearance between the rubber surround of the sub. We maintain the factory look of the vehicle. We did the Cento tweeters in the factory location, mid bass in the factory location.
I got a whole lot of money, bitches got it for me. Bottle keep popping that water, man, whole time. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. I stepped in the club, rolling up that loud shit. My weed keep your security says be quiet. My presence start a riot, the girls get excited. All I wanna try it, I'm like, why not try it? My sweat they wanna buy it, my juice they wanna try it. Club going